So guys, this is the bread for the banh mi. All we need is po. Ayan, Vietnam tote bag. And ang pinakasikat nila ang po noodles. Alright, dito na rin yung meatballs with nok nam vinegar. Ayan, banh mi sandwich. Dito na rin. Taste of Vietnam. Yeah. Hi guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa Po Saigon Restaurant and let's try some Vietnamese cuisine. Let's go! Taste of Vietnam. Yeah! And this is their menu. Hot noodle soup. So this is their famous po noodles. From classic flavors to spicy. Ayan. So, post nyo na lang with prices na rin yan. And this is their stir-fry noodles. And they also have salad and rolls. And their famous banh mi sandwiches. Yeah. And they also have for sharing and sarap. Dami. And ito pa guys, mga platters nila. And they also have pizza and rice meals. Ayan. Kompleto. Po Saigon Special Hot Pot. Ayan. They also have dessert. Ayan, mango sticky rice. And syempre, hindi mawawala sa kanila ang coffee. Ayan. Dahil delicacy ito ng Vietnam. And here they also have cold refreshments, drinks in can, and cocktails. And then guys, yung mga design nila dito, yan, they're Vietnamese. Yan, ganda. And may non lahat sila dito, ayan. Mga naka-display. So guys, this is their bread for the banh mi. And ayan, they also have souvenirs here, ayan, Vietnam tumbler. So guys, here they also sell souvenir like this keychain from Saigon with love. Ayan. All we need is po. Ayan, Vietnam tote bag. And they also have hoodie, ayan, and scented candles. Ayan. Scented candles. Ayan, peanut sauce and nok nam vinegar.
Chicken sa atin po, ito rin po yun.
Alright guys, here's our topping for our po noodles. And the chicken skewers. And, ayan, po noodles. Dito na rin, yeah. Oh, and another chicken satay. So, yun, dalawa in order natin. And ang pinakasikat nila ang po noodles. Alright, dito na rin yung meatballs with nok nam vinegar. Ayan, masarap yung vinegar na yan, na nok nam. Matamis na maasim. Yeah! Yeah! And guys, ito naman yung chicken satay. Ayan. Sinasawsaw siya sa peanut sauce. And here's our Vietnamese fried rice. Ayan, banh mi sandwich. Dito na rin. Alright, let's eat! Antoy! Yan, kainan na!
Yes!
Alright, ang sarap! Okay!
Yes!
Then guys, lagyan na natin ng sauce, yung chicken satay. Then guys, kuha na rin tayo ng po noodles. So yun guys, ito yung hinahalo sa po noodles. So, hindi namin nilagay lahat kasi baka hindi magustuhan din ng iba. So, kanya-kanyang kuha na lang. Pero sa akin yan guys, nilagyan ko. And yan, lagyan na rin natin ng lemon. So, let's try. Then guys, try na natin ang meatballs with nok ng vinegar. Sarap. Ano? Sarap.
Hindi naman matabang.
Alright, next.
Tama.
Ano? Nasa kutsara na, i-ano ko. Ano?
Sarap.
Ba natin? Parang ano? Parang sausage. Sausage. Tapos may sopa. Parang longganisa. Then guys, next, try naman natin ang banh mi. Banh mi. The perfect bite.
Yung nga pala yun.
Yan, lagyan natin ng barbecue sauce. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Kapun Batam Biet.